When we think about immigration policies, we often focus on the social and economic aspects: who can come in, who can stay, and under what circumstances. But there's another layer to this conversation that's just as critical: the environmental impact of these policies. Let's consider the fact that migration is often driven by environmental factors. Climate change, natural disasters, and resource scarcity are pushing people to leave their homes in search of safer, more stable environments. For instance, rising sea levels threaten coastal communities, while droughts and extreme weather events are making agricultural land uninhabitable. This is not just a distant issue. It's happening right now, affecting millions of people worldwide. As we shape our immigration policies, we must recognize this reality. We have a responsibility to create pathways for those displaced by environmental crises. But it's not just about humanitarian aid. It's also about how we manage our own resources and ecosystems. Take the example of urban areas in the U.S. that are already grappling with overpopulation and pollution. If we don't consider the environmental capacity of our cities when drafting immigration policies, we risk exacerbating existing problems. More people can mean more demand for housing, water, and energy, which can lead to increased carbon emissions and strain on local ecosystems. On the flip side, immigrants can also bring valuable skills and perspectives that contribute to environmental sustainability. Many are already engaged in green initiatives, from urban gardening to renewable energy projects. By integrating these voices into our environmental policies, we can foster innovative solutions to the challenges we face. Moreover, we need to think about how our immigration policies can reflect our commitment to global environmental justice. Countries that contribute the least to climate change often bear the brunt of its effects. By supporting climate refugees through more inclusive immigration policies, we can help balance the scales and promote a more equitable world. It's also essential to consider the environmental footprint of immigration itself. The journey many take to reach a new country can be resource-intensive, often involving long flights or perilous land routes. This raises questions about how we can make migration more sustainable. Could we invest in greener travel options or support local economies in the regions people are leaving? Ultimately, the intersection of immigration and environmental policy is complex, but it's a conversation we can't afford to ignore. As we move forward, we must ensure that our policies not only address the immediate needs of those seeking refuge, but also consider the long-term health of our planet. By doing so, we can create a future that respects both human rights and environmental integrity, paving the way for a more sustainable and just world for everyone.